Hello, welcome to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video shows the details guide and tip for round 4 to get the top result. I show you detail now. So round 4 is simple. We just keep update our 8 product to the idea spot. You can check the other video of round 1 to see the Excel file, so you can update the IND easily, and also check the launching date for all the 8 products. Now we have top sale and top profit, so just keep moving. We reduce the price for marketing. We reduce the price by 50 cents and also save some costs when the product reach 100% of customer awareness, and also most important thing, spend strong for budget 2000. The most important thing of marketing is calculate the sales forecast based on unit result from last round. You can see the result of round 3. Round 3 we have very high sale here, much higher than all competitors, and accounts for 48% of market share. Our stock price go up to 90, and this round will go up to 140 and 35, 40. We invest in round 1 and 2 and get the top sales and top of it in round 3 and 4. You see our stock price here on the top and market cap top, right? And for combined with the marketing, we calculate the sale forecast based on this number, based on the unit result last round. And then we set decision for the production. For production, we set the production schedule here based on the sales forecast here and inventories here. We set the production schedule, and we don't buy more capacity because we have enough. And also this is the last round. We keep the automation 10 for trip, 8 for nano, 8 for core, and 6 for nano, and 6 for elite. For HR we use 5080 hours. For finance, this is for round 4, so we retire the stock. We buy the stock to get higher stock price and pay some dividends. We have 100 million for cash, so that's enough. We have 160, so we spend 60 for pay back the long-term debt. This is round 4. We can do that when you have a lot of profit, right, and cash in hand. For the TQM, we can spend 1,000 for all of them. You can adjust a little bit, but around 1,000 is okay, right? And now we see the top result. We have very high sales here, 52% of contribution margin, and you see that 87 million for profit, right? And you can see we get the top result for round 4 with 46% of market share, top sales here, top profit much higher than all competitors, and you see the stock price we get 190. The strongest competitor 105. We see the chart here, right? So we get the top result for round 4. So if you have any question for CompXM, send the email to mbasim.ferrit@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.